We've been making changes to our existing song, but what if you like the song, but you want to hear it in a completely different style? For that, we can create a cover. Let's click the three dots next to the most recent iteration, and let's go back over to Remix, and over here, let's click on Cover. This opens up the side panel again, where we can describe how we want to reinterpret the song. Let's go in a completely different direction this time and turn our upbeat pop song into an epic, cinematic, orchestral anthem. Down below, I'll type in my instructions, and then let's generate. Over here, let's listen to it.
Bring the bitter dark heat.
Wow, I don't think a chocolate chip cookie has ever sounded this important.